Hi guys, it's your beautiful Ada here again, and yeah, welcome back to today's vlog. So we are finally on summer break and I am so excited, like legit excited, because one, I get to sleep in with nobody bothering me, and the kids also get to sleep in. Yeah, so today we have a lot to tackle. We just woke up because it is summer holiday. Of course, you guys know how excited I am. Like the past 3 or 1 month before school finally closed, it was super stressful. The last week of it, oh my god, these kids are being loud. The last week of it was even more stressful than I ever thought. Like me going back and forth to school, yeah, it was crazy because I had to attend their different events on different days and all of that. It was super stressful, but yeah, I'm so glad that all that is done now and we are finally on summer break. So I get a break. Okay, so I've been enjoying my sleeping in, my mornings, everything has been wonderful. So yeah, the kids are already up. Oh, I think I actually like this. We all woke up late, like past 9ish, so they've all had their bath and I'm ready. They are ready, so let's go find something to eat, then we can proceed. My room is a mess, so I'm going to definitely clean up my room. But yeah, let's go ahead. Van and Gia had their baths. I did that, of course, and they're already dressed waiting. So the girls, the big girls, they already did their thing and they are already dressed as well. So we are going to go ahead and go make us breakfast. Yeah, we always eat late breakfast because this summer everybody's just basically trying to catch up on their sleep and everything. So I don't blame anybody right now. So let's go figure out what we'll eat for. Oh, by the way, I did my hair. Only thing is I did not, make any video of it. But I have so many videos of my hair that I've done and I have not even edited them. Talk more of posting them, but that's fine. Let's head out. What are we having for breakfast?
We are having mommy.
What are we having for breakfast?
Oh no. Okay. Hoodie. Let's do that. Come here.
All right.
Wait. Give us a second.
Okay.
Wow.
Gosh, my children are so beautiful.
Okay. Yes, we decided on crepes.
Crepes? All right.
Do not scratch me in the mouth. Okay. But you're gonna stop holding people. I'll hold you with the question. Catnip! Knock. Come in. Catnap! How about go to sleep, Catnap? Sleep.
Can we watch TV?
No, you do it on the other side.
Don't win! Yeah! Can I pop? Can I flip mine? Can I flip it? Take it out. Mommy, okay. Can I have mommy?
Okay, just on here. You're gonna pour it.
Only like here. Only here, Joanne. Here. Pour it on that side. Yeah!
Go all the way. Hold. Jovan!
Take it out. Mommy, it is time. Okay. Pick up the other one. 1 more minute. I'm already helping. Mommy's the flipping lady. Okay, drop it. Back. Bring it over here. Bring it right here. Quickly. Time to flip. It's not time to flip. Can I put the next one? Can I put the next one?
Did you flip it?
No, it's already flipped though. On that side. Can I put another scoop in? Yeah. Okay, just wait. Okay. Wait, no, no. Can I have some cricks by the way, Mommy? Mommy, can I have some cricks by the way? Me too.
Wait. Let's go.
Mommy, we need you.
As what? It's your girlfriend.
Okay, Chris.
Last I checked, we broke up 2 years ago before I left.
So I know it's summer, but I don't want my kids to go back to school and just forget everything completely about school or what they've even learned before. You know how kids are when you leave them for a long. So even though we are on summer break, I still like to, refresh their memory, just set, for them to still get to read their books and just, do their work. And at least with that, when they get back to school, they won't be looking at the teacher like the teacher is talking nonsense. So this is me multitasking and just eating, doing my editing my videos, and also teaching them as well. Yeah, that's mom life right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Actually watch till the end. We are heading out to the park right now. They are ready. Where is Gia's Crocs? Where is Gia's Crocs?
Yeah, come here.
Gia, go put on your shoe. Grab her clothes, the ones I removed from her. Put it in the bag.
What happened? I'm a giant.
Look for them at that place.
I'm not
Put them in the bag as well. So we are heading out to the park. Oh my gosh, look at that rabbit. Oh my god.
I'm already having to listen. I need to take the song. Wait. This way.
Gia! Are you excited? sit down.
Mommy, there was a bag on that table. I was trying to catch it, but somebody couldn't understand me. And then the bag came back and walked in. Boom.